Hello everyone, Magaba Coins. Once again, the civil engineer. I'm so happy to share with you. Today I wanted to share with you how you can come up with the assembly, and that's single 3D, and that's part of road design, and we shall start right away. Today we shall proceed with doing the assembly, and all this is part of road design. We click on assembly option, then we give it a name, assembly for road design. CA, that's the name I'm deciding to call it. Click OK, and you click where you want the baseline for the assembly. This is my baseline. Then we proceed right away. Click on this option. We're going to create the lane. We click on basic lane. These are the options. You have the slope, the depth, the width. I want my lane to be at 4.5 meters. The depth at 2.2 meters, and the slope. And this is the right side. So I come place here. This is my lane on the right side. Then again I choose the left side with the same dimensions. Click here. So I have my lanes and they are done. Then we proceed with doing the shoulder. So you press the basic shoulder, the same dimensions. I want my shoulder at 1 meter, and the depth is 0.2, but the slope I want it at 2 meter. I want it at 2%. The slope. Then I click, it's the left side that I'm choosing first. Then come here, left side. My shoulder is done. Then go to the right side. That's it. My shoulder is done. Then we shall proceed with the daylight. Click here. You choose an option. I'll choose daylight standard. It has a lot of different dimensions. You can change as per any slope, as per any ditch width, anything you can change, but me, I'm maintaining it. I click here, I have it, then I click here, and that's it. My assembly is done. I have my lens, I have my shoulder, and I have my daylight. Our assembly is done. This is how it looks like. So we are done. You press enter and escape, and this is how the assembly looks like when it's fully done. The next video will be how you can come up with the corridor. Then we proceed with doing cross sections, and all that is road design, and there you're complete in designing for roads. And that's it. We are done. Thank you for listening. All these tutorials are very helpful to you as a young engineer. Keep following up them. Alright, thank you. Have a wonderful day.